Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Celawin.com. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here on their website. So just right off the bat, you can see Mr. Beast on their homepage. So from here, if you read this, you can just register now and get a free reward, which is a clear indication of a scam. So I'm just going to say right off the bat that this website is a scam, since they just put Mr. Beast here without any indication of Celawin on his shirt or anything. It just says Mr. Beast Ultimate Crown, no indication of their brand whatsoever. So maybe they just slapped Mr. Beast on here on their website and just called it a day. So as you can see, please don't enter anything here on your on their page, since if you put your email here, you might be prone to scam or spam emails from them. And as you can see also here on malwaretips.com, that Celawin.com crypto scam was exposed. And before we read that, this is exactly why I made my research guide. So you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit. So the link is down below for you to check out. So now that's out of the way, let's read some the article here. So as you can see, they have fake celebrity endorsements right here. As you can see, Mr. Beast is an example. Inflated user statistics, no verification requirements, withdrawals condition on deposits. So before to get the reward, you need to deposit. So they also have zero transparency. And right here, they also go over how the scam works. So they attract users with promo offers. They also let users play games risk-free. So this is what it's supposed to look like. They slowly reveal withdrawal restrictions. So when you withdraw money for the first time, the next time you can't withdraw as much money, or you can't withdraw at all. So they also require additional deposits to verify, quote unquote, the accounts, and a lot more. So please don't enter any information in this website, especially your card number or your credit card information, as it might well get stolen. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.